Hey guys, I'm gonna do this one-handed, so I already have my water going, but I'm doing a quick review on the garbage disposal cleaners. These are their bioenzyme powdered. It's a citrus scent, and we absolutely love these. Here's our box, it comes like this. So what we do is you kind of have a hot pencil line stream, and you just throw this into the garbage disposal. You turn it on, so I will show you. It's gonna get loud, so I have to stop talking. And you do it until it foams on the other side. It ends up cleaning both sides with this packet. So let me just kind of show you. And here we go. It starts foaming over here, and once it goes down, it's done. It's cleaning over here. You can see it in there. All right, that's it. I absolutely love this for cleaning, especially when it starts kind of getting stinky. I know that it's hard to clean on the inside of our disposal, but we absolutely love these better than the little lemon drop things. This is so much better, and the smell is great, and it works amazingly. Highly recommend.